Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change animations in NBA 2K26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just pause the game and head over to this section My Player. Right here we need to select this one, animations. Then you're gonna see screen like this which says gameplay animation. Just next to that we have shop animations, then we have animation store. In order to change the animation we need to go to this one, gameplay animations. Right here you have three sections: scoring moves, playmaking moves, and in-game celebration. So you need to choose the one which you wanna change. Let's say you wanna change something like dribbling emote, you can select that, and right here you're gonna see all of the choices. So choose the one which you wanna, let's say, change. I wanna set this on unequip. I can just select that and they're gonna change the animation to none. Similarly I can just select that again, and that way you can easily change the animation of particular thing. By following that you can change spin jumper animation, hop jumper animation, dunk style animation, and so on. But before you choose the animation you must have couple of choices. So for that what you can do, you can just head over to this one, animation store, and right here you're gonna see the window for signature animations. So if you want to change the animation, or if you want to get the animation for scoring moves, playmaking moves, in-game celebration, you can get that from here. Let's say I want some celebrations animations, I can get into this. Then they're gonna offer me something like this, dribbling emotes, triple threat emotes. Then we have something like this, NBA and pro aim after 3. So choose the section where you wanna get. I'll get into this one. So right here you can see all the prices for this particular emotes. So whatever I like I can just add that into my card. So for that I need to hit A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation, and that particular emote will get into my card. So just choose all of them and add that into your card. You can purchase all these emotes at once, but before that you need to select all the emotes which you like. Let's say what if we get into this one. Here you're gonna find a couple of animations which are completely free. What if we purchase all of them? I can just add that into our cart, something like this. In order to purchase these animations, what we can do, we can hit Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation, and here you're gonna see the list of the items which we have added into the cart. To remove these items we can hit X and the items will get removed. So here you can see the grand total, and of course all of these animations are completely free, that's why they're not gonna charge anything. We'll just confirm the purchase. Okay, and your purchase is successful. We can get back from this. Now what if we get to this one, dribbling emotes, and similarly we're gonna purchase something like this. Hit Y or triangle on PlayStation and just confirm the order. So yeah, we have successfully purchased the animations. By following the same process you can purchase the animations for scoring moves, playmaking moves, NBA intros, and so on. Once you get the animations, it's time to equip them. For that we need to head over to gameplay animations, and since we purchased the animations for dribbling emote we can get into this. And yeah, now you can see we have couple of choices. So right here we can choose the one which we wanna equip. Now similarly we have purchased the animations for triple threat emote. We can get into this and choose the one which we like. Yeah, you can see the animation is changed, and this is exactly how you can change animations in NBA 2K26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.